every time we have designed a package, we have been going to a destination to verify whether whether execution has happened fine, whether whatever was our requirement has been achieved or not. But what if I want to view the data intermediately in my SQL Server Designer window itself? There is an option for that. It's a very handy option. So you can just click on the link where you want to view the intermediate data, and you can just say enable data viewer. So just click on that and you'll see a sign over here. So now we will save this package again, and if we run this, what will happen is that while the package is being executed, a window will pop up which would define some data. It should give you a preview of data which is going through that link on which you have defined your data viewer. So you'll be able to see through your SSIS designer itself, instead of every time going back to your destination and checking, and sometimes you may not be having access to that destination and stuff like that. So you can simply see the data here. You can copy the data to Excel if you want to do some further analysis or anything. Now the next thing we need to do is let the execution of the package get completed. So if you have included a data viewer and you have viewed the data, you have to go and click on the close button over here, and then you'll see the green check marks have appeared and the package has completed. And then we have to click on this button. So this is a very good tool that we have, and it's very helpful for especially debugging, or if you want to just get a preview of the data that you won't be fetching, or if you just want to check at every stage what exactly is happening. If you're debugging at some point, you do not know at which point the data corruption is happening or the error is occurring, then you can include these data viewers and find out what exactly is happening at what stage. So these are very powerful tools for debugging. Now, if you right click on this again and say edit, what you can do is go to the data viewer tab over here, and you can define the number of columns you want to see. Now we had just 2 columns, so it was very easy for us to see. But when you design the actual big jobs, and you might be having a lot of columns, and you do not want to waste your time checking the values of each of the columns, so you can just select the displayed columns, the list of displayed columns. So if you do not want the job title, just click on it and let it go to the other side. Or similarly, you can select your columns you want displayed, click on the right arrow button and get them added to the displayed columns. Okay, so this is a very efficient tool, especially useful for debugging and previewing your data. So this is what you can use.